misaligned, because there's also that notion that abroad divorce is encouraged. Okay, let's stop for a minute and talk about that. Divorce is hard anywhere. It is hard anywhere. People say, the woman divorcing because she walked away with half of the man's property. Let's squash that. How they do divorce here is that you share 50% assets, 50% liability. If two people are going to divorce, they liquidate everything they have and split it down the middle, asset and liability. So sometimes when it's the woman who has more money, it is the woman who pays the man. So it is not a norm that the woman walks away with 50%. Sometimes it is the man that can walk away with 50%.
I had a client that paid her husband $600,000.
Exactly. So women are paying as well. Divorce is hard everywhere. If you are with somebody who both of you are misaligned on fundamental values, chances are divorce is going to be inevitable. But some of those things can be interrupted. You can get help. You can get counseling. We need to normalize going to get counseling when something is wrong. If you have a medical condition, you go to the doctor, you don't think twice about it. So if something is wrong with your marriage, why can't you pay to get help? Think about a conference like this. Like, how much is the ticket? How much is going to be the cost of travel? How much is going to be one night hotel or Airbnb compared to what you will pay to a lawyer to go through separation and divorce? So sometimes it just seems like we have things a bit backward. You get the help so that you don't have to get there. Because all the 7 years I've lived here, I've never gone anywhere where somebody says, if you talk to me anyhow, divorce. Nobody has encouraged me to divorce. Instead, there are people I've spoken to. I meet couples who have been married 40, 50 years. That's what I have around me. I don't know, maybe it's where I am. But nobody has encouraged me to divorce. So don't think about marriage with divorce in sight, like divorce as an option. If both of you are aligned in your values, why is it going to get to the point where you then have to start negotiating who gets what in divorce? So let's put our priorities in the right order, put things in the right place.
Yes. People attribute it to the wrong things. It's like you travel a road and you see like 5 broken down cars and you say, what's wrong with this road?
True.
Nothing's wrong with the road. These people did not maintain their cars. They didn't pay attention to the sounds they were hearing in their cars. It's nothing has to do with the road. Don't say, who passes this road again with my car? Because I see many broken down cars here. No, nothing's wrong with the road. It's the individual cars and they care for those cars. And most people don't pay attention. They don't learn. They don't build a solid foundation. And in all fairness, men have a bigger problem in this regard because men are generally not family oriented. Men are more work oriented. They would rather spend time learning how to make money from Bitcoin, learn how to make money from something. Just like men want to invest their time. They don't want to invest their time in building their family. They don't realize that having a good family is one of the best financial decisions you can make. It's a money decision. All right, having a good family life. It's a very, very important money decision.